Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding HTML code into a WordPress post in just 5 minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate your WordPress site, access the site editor, and embed custom HTML for your content. We begin by directing you to your WordPress platform. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting WordPress, where all the editing and administrative tasks are carried out. Once you have loaded the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Clicking on login will take you to the authentication step. In this process, you will be prompted with the option to sign in using your Google account. Select the option that says continue with Google and choose the Google account that you want to use for this login. This method streamlines the login process and helps maintain secure access while being efficient. After signing in, look for the quick link section on your dashboard. Within this section, locate the link that reads Edit Site. Selecting this link takes you to the Site Editor interface, where you can customize various elements of your website. The interface is organized and user-friendly, and from here you can proceed to add custom content to your posts. Once inside the site editor, find the plus icon located in the top left corner of your screen. The plus icon is a tool used to add new blocks or components to your post or page, and it offers numerous options to enhance your site's content. Clicking on this icon presents you with a list of different elements that you can include in your post. At this point, use the search functionality provided by the editor and type in the phrase custom HTML. This step filters the available options down to the custom HTML block so that you can easily select it. Once you are sure that the correct element has been located, click on custom HTML to add the custom code editor block to your post. After adding the custom HTML block, you are now in an environment where you can freely input your desired HTML code. This block is specifically designed to handle custom HTML, allowing you to incorporate unique features, formatting, or interactive widgets that are not available through the default WordPress editor. Take your time to insert your code directly into the block. You will also be able to preview the outcome of your custom code instantly, giving you the opportunity to adjust the code if needed to ensure that it displays correctly on your website. This step-by-step workflow is designed to ensure that even if you are new to WordPress, you will quickly become comfortable with the process of embedding custom HTML into your posts. By following these comprehensive instructions, you will be able to enhance the functionality and appearance of your WordPress content in just a few minutes. Enjoy customizing your site with the power of HTML in your WordPress post.